What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. And today, I'm taking a look at the AM97 in this Foamposite inspired colorway. I know a lot of people say foams are a bulky, weird shoe, but those are the exact reasons I love them. So needless to say, I was excited to see Nike create a foams inspired Air Max 97. You may have noticed Nike releasing a lot of mashup sneakers. To me, a lot of those feel forced and unnatural. It's not a bad formula, but with so many moving parts, there is no shortage of opportunity to slip up. These, in my opinion, work the best. And Nike has taken and applied design elements from the Foamposite to every part of this 97. I think these are greater than any other mashup so far because they not only take design inspiration like color, but they go an extra step by adding the materials and small details. Things like the nubuck detailing around the laces, the jewel at the top of the tongue, this carbon fiber plate on the side, the same as you'd find in the carbon fiber shank in the Foamposite, are just some of the details. Taking a closer look, even at the mesh on the upper is very close to what you'd find on the Foamposite. Of course, with a little bit added cushioning, as this is still an Air Max 97. Up top, taking a closer look at that jewel, you won't find the 1 cent logo here, just a Nike check. On the tongue and on the back of the shoe, you'll find pull tabs like you'd find on a Foamposite, except these say Air Max on the back. Taking a closer look at the midsole, you'll find that it's not just white, but there's a little sparkle in the paint that they use. The air unit is done up in all black, which I find gives some nice contrast to the white sparkly midsole and that bright blue translucent outsole. Now moving down to the outsole with that accent in black with the swoosh in white. Looks really nice in this icy blue. Here's a look at both shoes. Now this is my favorite part, which I've saved for last, and it's actually the insole. It's not a particularly nice insole, but the detail on it is that red check and the phone number that you'd find on those 90s poster ads of the Foamposite. I think it's a really nice touch for collectors, a really thoughtful piece for Nike to add to really tie together this Foamposite inspired colorway. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and watch out for the next video. And as always, wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.